Amid the growing uncertainty around the new COVID-19 variant Omicron, the Union Health Ministry has answered multiple FAQs related to the variant. The ministry has highlighted that the severity of the disease is anticipated to be low. It is a new variant of COVID-19 that has recently been reported from South Africa on 24th November 2021. The report added that due to the sudden rise in number of positive cases in South Africa, World Health Organization has declared Omicron as a variant of concern. The report said that the most accepted and commonly used method of diagnostic for COVID-19 variant is RT-PCR method. However, as per the report, in case of Omicron, the S gene is heavily mutated. Some of the primers may lead to results indicating absence of the S gene. This particular S gene dropout along with the detection of other viral genes could be used as diagnostic feature of Omicron. However, for final confirmation of the Omicron variant, genomic sequencing is required. As per the report, there are no new precautions prescribed. However, it is essential to mask properly, get fully vaccinated with both doses of vaccines, maintain social distancing and good ventilation to the maximum possible. Answering to the question pertaining the anticipated third wave, the report said that Omicron cases are increasingly being reported from the countries outside of South Africa, and given its characteristics, it is likely to spread to more countries including India. However, the scale and magnitude of rise in cases and most importantly the severity of diseases that will be caused is still not clear. Further, given the fast pace of vaccination in India and high exposure to Delta variant as evidenced by high seropositivity, the severity of the disease is anticipated to be low. However, it added that scientific evidence is still evolving. While there is no evidence to suggest that existing vaccines do not work on Omicron, as per the report, some of the mutations reported on spike gene may decrease the efficacy of existing vaccines. But it added that the vaccines are expected to still offer protection against severe disease, and vaccination with the available vaccines is crucial. Answering on the position of India right now, the report said that Indian government is monitoring the situation closely and is issuing suitable guidelines from time to time.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.